Today we will do about square root. Remember, square root is the opposite of square. Square we already see. If we write anything to the power 2, or if we double it, like suppose we may have 3 to the power 2, we can write 3 into 3. Then that is what we call square. But square root is the opposite of square. If I write x to the power 1 by 2, here we double, here we half. That is what we call square root. So like if we have 3, square root of 3, this one, okay, this one which we write down, we call it radicand, and this sign here we call it radical. Then whatever we write here, we call it order. If there is no value here, that means this is power 2, order 2. So when it is order 2, we used to say square root. So like 3, we don't have any factors. It's remain under the root only. But suppose you may have like square root 9. Then in this case, what to do? 9, we can write it as 3 into 3. So here you see how many 3 are there? There are 2 of them. So when there are 2 of them, we can take them out. But we take out, we take only 1. Okay, so that is square root. There are different methods to find square root, but we will do only 2 main, that is prime factorization and the long division method, those 2 main. So remember, square and square root are not same. Square means to the power 2, we multiply or we double it. Then when we say square root, it means to the power 1 by 2 if we write in the exponential form. Or if we use the radical form, then we put this sign which is known as radical sign. But when there is no number here, that means it is of the order 2, or what we call as square root. Then how to find the value? I already told you there are different methods, but one method is prime factorization. When we have big number, we have to split them by the prime factors. Then after that, we group them 2, 2. If suppose you have like 6, then we can write 2 into 3. But here you see, 2 and 3, they are not same. They are different. So in that case, we cannot take out them out of the root. Okay. Though we have 2 factors, but they are different. But like here, we have 2 different factors, but they are same. Only then in that case, we can group and take out 1. Okay. So like here you see, 9 square, if you say 9 square, it will be 9 into 9. It will be equal to 81. It will be more. But when we say square root 9, you can see it will not be 81, it become only 3. So there they are different, okay? When we say square, it will be increasing. When we say square root, it will be reduced by half. So now let us see exercise 3.2, how to find the square root. Like I already told you, there are many methods, but we will do only 2 methods. One is prime factorization, another is long division method. So for today, we will do prime factorization. Number 1 and 2 no need to do. We'll do number 3. Find the square root of 1521. So though the question write only 1521, but you yourself, you have to write square root 1521, because the question already say in words, okay, 1521, and they clearly mention we have to find the square root using long prime factorization. So that means we have to split them by prime factor. You clearly see here a number is ending with 1. So if it is ending with 1, that means it is odd number. So if it is odd number, we cannot divide by 2. We can try it to divide by 1. If you don't know to divide directly, please do in the rough first. Then after that, you can place it here. Okay. So since ending with 1, let's try with 3. 3 into 5 will be 15. Then we bring down 2. 3 into what will be 2? We don't have. We put 0. Then bring down 1. 3 into 7, 21. So you get remainder 0. That means we can divide by 3. But if suppose you get remainder 1 or 2, you cannot divide by 3. You have to check by some other number. So all this process of division will remain in your head. But here we'll write only the final result. Here we divide by 3. Then what answer we get? We write it 507. Here we write the divisor. Here we write the quotient. Okay. Then let's continue again. Again ending with 7. That means it is odd number. So if it is odd, let us try with 3. We cannot divide it by 2. Okay. So 3 into 1 will be 3. 5 minus 3 will be 2. Bring down 0. 3 into what will be near to 20? 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 6 will be 18. Then here we bring down 2, 7. 3 into 9. So all the process of division will be in your head. We will write only the final answer. Here the divisor you write. Here the quotient. Again 169 is odd. So let's try again to divide by 3. 3 into 5 will be 15. Then bring down 3 into what will be 19? We don't have. So that means we cannot divide it by 3. Then check by 7. Okay, check by odd number. 7 into 2, 14. Then we have 29. 7 into what? 29 we don't have. That means you cannot divide by 7. So if you check by 9 also we cannot. So let's try with 11. 11, 1, 11. So here we have 59. 11 into what? 59 we don't have. Then we will go with 169. Let's go with 13. 13 into 1, 13. 6 minus 3, 3. Then here we have 0. Bring down 9. 13 into 1, 13. 13 into 2, 2, 3, 6. 2, 1, 2. 13 into 3, 3, 3, 9. 3, 1, 3. So that means we can go with 3. Then here you see we get remainder 0, which means we can divide it by 13. The divisor is 13. The quotient is also 13. Then 13 we cannot divide it by any number. So that will be the end. Okay. But as long as you can divide by some number, then you can divide. So now instead of 1521, we can write with this factors. Okay. Write them all. 3, even this one also we have to write. Okay. 3 into 3 into 13 into 13. Then now remember we have to find the value. There are 2, 3. You can group them. There are 2, 13. You can group them. So to get the value, this 2, 3, we take out only 1. Then this 2, 13 also, when we take out, we take only 1. So once we finish to take out, no need to write the square root anymore. Then now you multiply them, we get 39. So that means the square root of 1521, it is equal to 39. Okay. So in that way, you can try number B, see yourself.